Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. And yeah, in this video I'm going for a car meet again. I know the last one I posted was last year, but then yeah, I'm going for a car meet and I'm going to wait. That's Sophie, by the way. I'm in her house.
Hi.
I'm not an alcoholic, if you can see the so yeah, I don't drink as much. Yeah, but then that's crazy. It's bad for your liver, kidney, everything's bad for your body. But yeah, anywho, so I'm going for the coming with Sophie and she, and yeah, I think Shedek is gonna follow us. He's meeting us there and everything. But yeah, I hope it's gonna be nice because we're already late. Set up 7, it's 7:25, and we'll see, y'all. We'll see.
Y'all should ask him in the comments what time he showed up in my house. Starts at 7, yeah?
Guy, I came early though. I came early though.
You came
what are you saying?
You
I don't know what you're saying.
came
But yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys at the car meet. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and I'm gonna show you the cars out there. Obviously, but yeah, let's go.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe, type shit. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. That one's for tomorrow.
Oh,
Yeah, is that a cope?
That's a cope.
That's a cope. That's a cope.
I swear that's a cope.
That's a cope. Fuck.
I swear it's a cope.
Yeah, it's coming here.
It's coming here.
So yeah, we're at the coming right now. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars and type shit. Yeah, but yeah, we even thought that this guy was like a cop, but then apparently it's not. It's like an undercover, and I'm like, yeah, that shit's crazy, you know. Yeah, but then yeah, that's basically. Hey, I'm gonna show you guys the whole car meet. Yeah, I mean, I'm out of words because the cars here are crazy. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Yeah. Damn, that's not a cop. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, I know the
Yeah, we had the old chilling man. Which one? Yeah, that's the yellow coverage.
Oh, someone posted this.
Yeah, they're just chilling there, bro.
Like, they're just watching you guys.
They're waiting for
Yeah.
Yeah, she.
Yo.
What's good? You think you're good?
I got my car. Bro, I hit a pothole. I need to replace the tire. It'll probably be up for next weekend.
Are you for the one tomorrow?
I'll be there, but my car won't be there.
Yeah.
Is your whip?
I'm recording for me.
Yeah?
Yes, I do.
You went from 0 to 100 like come on, bro.
Oh, this car was cool car, like check it out. How's the wheels and everything, fam, like so crazy, not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna show you more about the car, comings and everything, and yeah, let's get to it. Come on guys, cool. It's cool as fuck, bro. It's cool.
What? Oh, that's mine. The white one.
Yeah.
The white CLA.
God, Winnipeg weather is crazy.
It's meant to be hot.
Yeah, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, it was 36.
Fuck. Now it's like hot.
But yeah, that's fine, technically. So this is the island's hard.
Yeah. You wanted the shit out of this car, bro. End performance.
See, look at represent fuck off. Crazy.
I mean, some people don't want to show car.
Well, to be fair, if you illegal ones as well, like car show, come in night.
Nights.
They're
waiting for nights.
That's
See, there's a cop car covered, bro.
Like, guys, do you know there's a cop?
That's a real.
No, obviously, see the way they gathered around him.
I was like, yo.
The way he pulled up because he was very slowly.
Slow, exactly.
And then he now parked there. Just
Exactly. He parked
like
looking
he's
at us
watching
like he's watching us. And like, nah, this guy is fucking with us, bro.
I think the guy said there's a haircut as well.
Fear of God entered.
They said haircut and then charcoal. So I
Oh,
think
you guys
he
spoke
brings
to
this one.
But why would you bring this up?
No. This is my future car. Like I'm gonna get this car very soon. Like one of these, yeah. This car is sick.
No, this is the coupe bag, man.
Yeah, the coupe is beautiful, bro.
Mine is for this too. Yeah, when it's also back the car, like the car.
Bro. Guys, clean, bro.
The black.
Guy, check out the back. The back is the one. When I saw it coming in, I was like, you. Oh. But they hit the badges on as well. Oh shit, the guy's a photographer. Yeah, that guy's a photographer or a videographer. Yeah. That is hard, bro.
I don't know what class is it. Maybe C63.
Yeah.
Put that thing C. This is the thing I'm talking about. What is that? Vent cover. I put it on my car.
Okay, the wheels are clean. Everything is clean,
I
bro.
want to get this type of view. Want the lights on?
Yeah, sure. Throw shit on.
Damn. Ooh. And get
Nice.
For sure.
and it changed lights a little bit.
I like that.
Imagine that.
I found the idea from US. In the US.
Yeah.
Bro, I saw big time. I for bring jackets. This guy's modded out, bro.
I got my wings up. GT63.
See the Corvette, bro.
Yeah. No, the Corvette came for the last one. I think it's a black guy that owns it. Okay, look at this guy's rock. Good win.
My dream.
Okay, I'm not sure you wrapped it properly though.
No.
It was hard, man. Can't lie.
This is my dream.
Shit.
I want like
Yeah.
a matte black.
Corvette. I think this is C6.
Corvette.
This guy is fast.
Yeah, guys.
It's
This house,
giving,
bro.
what's that? Cars? That movie, that Disney movie? Cars?
Disney movie kid.
Lightning McQueen.
Oh.
Yeah, I think it's based off of Corvette. Yeah. But people are arguing. Some people say it's not. But it looks like a Corvette.
Look at the dunks inside.
Hard.
Still not the Corvette.
Yeah, I don't know. Which one?
I think this
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I think so. I'm not sure.
like Stoner's car.
Yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Is it 3 series?
No, it is 5.
This 5 series. This one is way bigger.
Yeah. Think about rain though. Yeah, this one. Hey, remember when I was saying that this team is on the guy that sold the thing to me.
Oh, it's the one
Yeah,
that.
he owns this one. Then this one is.
Oh, you want this sticker?
No, I'm not having the sticker. I said this is the guy that sold.
Oh, yeah. I thought you wanted
Yeah.
that sticker.
No. I don't know, bro. Yeah, but yeah, that's
even like the gray on the black. Like
yeah. But what's it called? That one.
Carbon fiber. actually, not green.
Remember when I told you that there was some guys that doing detailing?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's his car.
This BMW.
Yeah, details. Yeah. That's cool, bro. It's
Other mods from
cool,
the car,
man.
like to be harder, but
Shit.
like, just little things.
do you do it yourself?
Check out this one. This one's hard.
Some light. Let me show you.
So basically, we're with this group, right? The Code Vigilante and everything, right? So they host their own car meets, and I think they detail cars as well. Not too sure. I think it's one guy that does it, but yeah. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Oh shit, this is a carbon fiber thingy, but yeah. But yeah, shit, man.
So I was there with Malik and she just came up to me.
And this is Shadrach's car. You know, something like, you get. I did. Get tell us what you did to your car, bro.
It's still stock, right? But like,
Yeah.
I added this. That was the first mod. Then I added these guys for the vents. Make it look like AMG. The two sides.
And yeah,
Yeah, that's all.
this guy's hot to.
Oh no,
This
no
guy's
mods
hot
are coming.
to. Well, this guy's hot to. The guy got it. When you get the car.
I like last week or so.
Like last week, and you already added all this, bro. Godwin, give me money like this guy, bro.
Chill, bro.
Give me money like this guy, bro. But yeah. But as I said, we came late. Like we came an hour late. I feel like there were other better cars or madder cars away here. I'm not too sure, but
Probably there.
yeah, they probably left and everything.
That Corvette that was here last week.
Yeah, guy, she was clean. Guy, if you came last week, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Guy, you see the air intake, Abi?
Yeah.
You good? So if you came last week, okay. If you came last week, there was one mad Corvette that came. Yeah, it was crazy.
Really?
Bro.
That guy is still on Red Down Drive. The Honda.
Yeah, the Honda. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Guy, this place is cold, man. I don't know why Winnipeg's weather is so messed up. This shit is fluctuating. It's a mad thing. But yeah, guy, that car is fast as yo. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later because my hands are freezing, man. Like, bro, guy, the weather is cold as. It's cold, bro. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I beg, waiting later. Yeah, guy, like, what's bang, like, bro? I'm trying to record, fam. Like, what's bang, like, yeah. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later, time shit.
What you do? Perfect scene is like, I'm a laptop.
You said 5 alive too.
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it 5 alive?
Five.
I thought was like 5 alive, kid. You guys missing home.
This one should come here. Is it coming here, David?
To Toronto in
Yeah.
Sweet melody.
Anyway, Red Bull guy, keep it up. Now, bro, what? Nah, that was hard. Nah, that was hard.
You can really drive with the car that is
Sure?
I'm driving the cars I've been seeing now, like they're. I thought you saw the babe self that left with our
Yeah.
It's JDM. That's from.
How did they get them here? So,
Yeah, charger. Oh, guy, look at the charger.
What?
Yeah, cars are pulling up.
But like, it's. I mean, pops like.
like, do you get like a special permit? I swear, because like,
Guy, just put some of this Red Bull. Guy, that'll be crazy, bro. Bro, that's hard. Without, exactly, bro. Yeah, I think so. Crazy. That's a Carpet's world, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo!
wow.
Damn. This guy's a para. Damn. Taught him how to do it. Oh guys, see, that's when the charger is pulling up.